Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I'm your chef, Charisse, and today we're gonna make a vegan pulled barbecue sandwich. I've made versions of these many a time, actually. A lot of different versions, a lot of different things in place of the meat, but I wanted to try something new today. So we're going to be using oyster mushrooms, but first I wanna give a super huge shout out to Yahada for her donation. If I'm saying your name wrong, girl, I am so sorry. I tried Googling it. I'm not good with names. I'm the worst. You gotta phonetically spell it for me, but I wanted to say thank you. Every single dollar helps, you guys, because I'm trying to actually get a camera. If you didn't know, I actually record my videos on my iPad from 4 years ago. So I could really use a camera for much better quality, much more maneuverability and X, Y, and Z. So make sure that if you want to help support this channel, you donate via PayPal to midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com. Let's jump into this sandwich, okay? All right, my dudes, so this is a bunch of oyster mushrooms that are all connected at the bottom. And just like you would with any sort of, pulled pork or chicken or something like that, which we do not mess with because we vegans beach, you're just going to start shredding it using your hands. Just get them all the way done. Like, look at how, hold on, can I get a close-up on this right now? Oh my god, super easy. What a fun guy. Okay. I'm a sucker for a good pun or a dad joke. So I've got probably a little bit less than a whole pound weight amount of oyster mushrooms, because some of mine, because I waited too long after buying them, and some of them sketched me out. So you probably want to double this if you're making it for a family, but it's just going to be Greg and I. So to this, what I'm going to toss in here is half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. So we're going to toss that around, and then we're also going to toss in about a tablespoon of some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, if you're new to this channel. And then we have our oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to put this on a pan, and we're going to let it bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. While our oyster mushrooms are doing the mushroom thing in the oven, I went ahead and started preheating a pan with about another tablespoon of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. And to that I'm going to add half of a purple onion, or if you want to get technical, a red onion. Girl, that shit drives me bonkers. So we're just going to saute these down while our mushrooms are mushrooming. While I'm doing that, you always can hit that subscribe button, girlfriend. Smash that like button, as they say. Now we're going to take our handy dandy oven mitt, dropping a new recipe on your ass. Thank you, Jenny and Chris. I love it. And we're going to put our mushrooms into our onions. Oh, missed a little fella right there. Just look at that, girl. Before I even put the saucy sauce in there, look at how legit that fucking looks. Okay, so now, look, I don't really know the amount to tell you. Not even gonna put the amount to tell you of barbecue sauce, because it depends on a few things. It depends on your preference of barbecue sauciness in your barbecue sandwiches. I like it more saucy than not. I'm a saucy girl, oh my god. But also depends on, so for instance, I use a natural barbecue sauce, so it's a lot thinner than a really thick barbecue sauce. So not all barbecue sauces are made the same, okay? And you really need to be careful on the back of your ingredients list when you're buying barbecue sauce for a couple of reasons, but the main one being to look out for what's that here sauce, which is what I like to call Worcestershire sauce, because who the fuck actually knows how to say it. So if it has what's that here sauce, chances are it is not vegan, and a lot of barbecue sauces can be made with what's that here sauce. So we have our our stove still on, and we're just going to kind of mix this together while the stove is on to get it nice and all incorporated, get that sauce a little bit stickier. You guys, look at this. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Tell me that doesn't look like pulled barbecue. We got our coleslaw. Okay, so I actually have not tried this yet. So you're in for a treat, and I'm going to get it everywhere probably. Let's get in. Let me find a good hearty spot. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me get just one of these mushrooms right here. What? You guys, I'm shook. I'm spitting everywhere like I'm shook. That texture. Like, what the? Okay. Game over. Fuck your meat replacements. Let's just use oyster mushrooms for a pulled barbecue sandwich. That texture is so legit. You get like a couple of crispy bits, like the burnt ends, but you get that like shreddy. Oh my God. You know what? That vegan buffalo chicken dip, next time I make it, I'm going to do the oyster mushrooms instead of the Gardein chicken bits. Oh my God. Okay. This is fucking delicious. I kind of can't believe it, and I'm kind of blown, and I'm so weird about textures, and y'all know me, I don't like mushrooms. But that is like, girl, that is legit. My hands are ready. That's how you eat barbecue sandwiches. Am I right? Am I right? You guys, stay tuned because I'm almost done my e-cookbook from all the secret recipes plus more from my vegan bakery. You're not going to want to miss out on that. For the recipe, okay, I'm choking. Full written recipe will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button. If you make any of my recipes, like, share them with me on social media. I have those linked below as well. And I'll catch y'all next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.